Look at this cuteness overload. Yes, pasabog to ni O2O dahil 9th anniversary nila. Nagbigay sila ng limited edition na ganito. Imagine sa 399 meron ka ng blush on, eyeshadow, lipstick, and lip gloss. Meron pang kasamang cute na keychain na pwede mong ihang sa bag with cute pom-poms and jelly sticker na sobrang cute. If you know me, I love peach color. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's cream to powder formula. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with this shade. Like, what? What? Ang ganda, ate ko. Oh my gosh, you can build the color, pero gusto ko siya na hindi masyadong bugs kapag nilagay mo, as in, you can build it up. I love the finish, para siyang powder, pero may glow effect ng onte. Ganda ng pagka-peachy niya sa skin. This one is so expensive, tapos ito sobrang mura lang. Like, let's try naman to use this as eyeshadow. Ganda niya rin as eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, I did not expect this. Wow! Oh my gosh. Look at that lipstick. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with the shade, with this formula, and the blush on. Hindi ko in-expect for 399 girls. Ang ganda. Itas natin. Girls, lagyan mo siya ng stain. Yes. Wow, hindi na siya mura. Wow, hindi na siya mura talaga. This one is shade 01, Jasmine Rose. Girl, pinkish ang atake nito. This shade is 03, Blossom Nectar. Ang lakas maka-girl nito. Very stunning ang atake. Very beautiful. Lang mga girls, share ko lang. Bye!